Babe, we need to talk about this. You're always on your phone.
I'm just checking my mails. You're always so tense.
Babe, that's not the point. I work all day, and when I come home, sometimes I expect you to cook. But instead, you're pressing your phone.
I'm sorry, Collins, but I get busy. Besides, I work just as much as you do.
That's not the point, babe. This is a relationship, and we're supposed to support each other.
I am supporting you. I work hard all day, and I come home to relax.
Really? You barely even work. Always on your phone.
Hey, it's okay. Please. I can't take this constant, incessant complaints. Every time you're always complaining about one thing or the other. Please, I can't take this. I beg and leave me.
Babe.
Send my things to your house.
Babe. Fuck.
Something could be a day.
Honestly, I feel like your boss is doing too much at this point, because why would she send you to go and buy something for her own Val on Valentine's Day, knowing fully well that you're supposed to be with your own Val on Val's Day? I mean, because you're single.
Yeah.
I think it's because you're very single, my dear. That's a sign that relationship. Honestly, this people's single life is not sweet at all. I don't like it.
I swear. Come on, you need to get back to your
Babe,
boyfriend.
I know, but I feel like I messed up big time. I feel like I need to fix things.
You need to talk to him. Come on, what did you even do to him, babe?
I was rude to him, and honestly, I've really not been acting right. I've not been doing things right lately. I feel like I really need to apologize to him. Honestly, he has tried though.
Yeah, just call him, talk to him. He's gonna understand you. Come on, baby. They know he loves you.
Alright, baby girl, I'll do just that. Thank you so much, Becca.
I know sometimes you're rude, baby, but come on, girl stands. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, baby girl. Please don't yab me, I beg. This single life is not my own. I don't like it at all. I don't know how you have been coping. Ha!
My dear, we have been coping now.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you, baby. Bye.
Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing? You're just one lost soul here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love? Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover.
Baby, I'm very sorry about what happened last week. You should have been more understanding.
It's okay, baby. I have thought about it, and I shouldn't be so harsh on you, okay? I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
Did you miss me?
I missed you, baby. I missed you.
Babe, I think we should go on like a weekend getaway. We should plan like maybe travel
Wow.
or somewhere.
That would be nice, baby. Yeah, I think we're trying to do that.
Seriously, okay, so where do you have in mind? Where do you think we should go?
I think we should. Oh, baby.
Ah, babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just 5 seconds. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wala sani muwazi jeje zikamoto ni nunga maze hamuku